ending in 9136 of an amount of 39,000. Next, I will be showing you where it got deleted, the paper, which is here, Chase, ending in 5010, deleted. Next, I'll be showing you a Sam's Club that got deleted. Ending in 3910, Sam's Club of an amount of $4,605. Here, Sam's 3910, deleted. Ending in $4,685. Next, I will be showing you another Sam's Club account that got deleted, ending in 6780, with an amount of $5,957. Here's the proof that it got deleted. Sam's 6780, deleted, $5,957. Another account from Sears that also got deleted, ending in 6479, with an amount of $4,254. Here, Sears, ending in 7753, deleted. Next, I'll be showing you another account of Sears that also got deleted, ending in 0443, with an amount of $4,276. Here, Sears, ending in 0443, deleted, with an amount of $4,276. Here's an account of education, a student loan, ending in 2483, deleted. Another account ending in 6517, education loan, deleted. Another education loan ending in 6517, deleted. And that was it. Thank you for your time. Have any questions? If you would like to come to our office, here's our number: 1-866-808-4747. Thank you for your time. Have a nice day.